good, everybody? It's your boy Darren back again with another video. It's been a little minute since I actually recorded. There ain't nothing been going on besides my back, me getting old. I feel like I'm about 35, 40, 45, 50. You know what I'm getting at. Man, I swear my music be throwing off my vibe. But, man, I got Ebola. That's another thing. I didn't feel like, I felt like garbage. That's what I did feel like. So that's another reason why I didn't vlog or record myself. But I'm feeling better. Right now I'm about to go to my uncle's house because it's my cousin's engagement party. So that's all I'm gonna be doing. I will catch a couple things of that, little snippets, but I mean, it's gonna be mostly family. I'm pretty sure it's like a personal thing, so it ain't gonna be too much of it. But other than that, I'll record tomorrow. I ain't gonna be doing nothing tomorrow either, but I'll record it just because I've been slacking. So I got y'all. I'm gonna try to do better. I'm gonna try to do better, even though I need to do better. So that way I can quit my job. But yeah, I'm about to go pick up my girl, and I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Yeah.
I still got a headache.
Three weeks later. What's good, everybody? It's your boy Darren. Right now I'm at Target waiting on my girl to get out. We got pizza. Yeah. Yummy, yummy. I don't know what I'm doing 'cause I'm hungry. Well, we supposed to go to the park. It looks like it wants to rain, but it's supposed to not rain. But I don't know. We'll find out. I'm hungry. I haven't ate all day, and it's 2:40. Something sounds like it's wrong with that car. But yeah, let's go to the park. You know, I'll do more vlogging there. Probably just her swinging or something like that. But other than that, ain't nothing much to vlog. But I'm hungry. I'm trying to keep this headache away, so that way I don't get a headache. So right now I'm just waiting on her to actually get out and call me, so that way I can go up to the front and pick her up, and then go home and eat. I got the heat on cause it's kind of hot. Oh, nigga, it's like 70-something degrees. Oh, I got the heat on, dog. Well, yeah. Other than that, ain't shizzle cracking cool. Ese, muchachos. I don't know what to talk about. I'm just keep talking because we need more minutes. We need more minutes. It's hot as hell. Man, it's hot. Bro, I'm sweating my family jewels off. Oh, man. Yeah. I'm tired. Bye-bye.
Dinekti, eh?
What's good, everybody? It's your boy Dan back at it again. Right now, just got off work. I'm tired as hoopla. Me and Mom about to go see Black Panther later on. God, that thing white as shit, cuz. But yeah. Oh man. was a nice little awkward silence for you guys. But yeah, we're supposed to be going to see Black Panther. Around 6. Yeah. So like I said, I just got off. Me and mom supposed to be doing a nice little mom and son day. So we just chilling. Um, Other than that, I'm about to shower because I feel like hoopla. And that's about it. Let's see. I need to do more stuff. So this should be interesting. But I do got stuff coming up. I'm supposed to be going on a cruise. I'm supposed to be going rock climbing, indoor rock climbing. My skin color. That's all I'm saying. And then we're supposed to be going indoor skydiving. And what else? It's like dead shit on my window. What the hell is this, man? But yeah, that's supposed to be some stuff coming up. Other than that, I'm gonna check in with you guys later on when I get all swagged and DVD, dang, and then sneak you guys in when I go to see Black Panther. Yeah. What's good, everybody? Right now, I'm trying to get this shift knob off so that way I can replace it and it should fit. So, I've been working with this for the last 20 minutes, struggling with a monster right now. Dang, this thing on here. Oh, Jesus. Oh, man. I just woke up, too. I had this thing on my arm all night. I was like, it should be easy. Let me go ahead and start it. Came outside this morning. This thing was like, got you, bit. Come on, man. Stop being stubborn. I just want to change it, cuz. See, the thing is, I don't got vice grips. And I've been seeing on YouTube a lot of people using vice grips. So I'm lacking utensils right now, cuz. About to give me some of this hubba bubba, though, man. Hubba bubba, bubba bubba, the bubba, yeah, man. What the hell, man? The hell was that? Oh, somebody out there blasting a cannon. I really don't want to go get vice grips. I mean, it's a lot of work. I mean, I gotta put a shirt on. I mean, I gotta turn my car on. I mean, I gotta go to the store. Walk down the aisle. Man, I gotta walk down that aisle. Man. Then I gotta check out. First, I gotta find the vice grips. Then I gotta check out. Check out is the easy part, because then, look, home is on the way. Gotta get back in the car. It's not worth it. I don't want to do it. I also don't want to make my hand bleed trying to get this little slut bucket off either. Dang. That shit hurt, cuz. Man, some calluses and some creasing on my hand. I had a homeboy tell me it took him long enough to get this shit off. I'm not gonna say how many hours, but yes, it took hours. So I was like, if I can't get this off in 45 minutes, fuck it. It ain't that serious. Find a different day with some better utensils. even with the right utensils, they say it can still take 15 minutes. This shit right here is supposed to be like a 1, 2, 3, bam, you done. Alright, your car looking good now. Guess, motherfucker. This is annoying. This is what this is. Oh, but me and mom did go see Black Panther. Boy, let me tell you, that was probably one of the best movies I've ever seen. I ain't gonna cap. That was a good movie. That was a good movie. Nah, I'm sure if you've seen the movie by now, if you haven't, you might want to go see the movie. Cause that movie right there, let me get back to this shit now. Cause man. Well, I'm gonna do this shit like 1 or 2 more times. If it don't come off, go back to the crib, which is right there. Alright. Well, I'm still tired. Damn, my hand killing me. This probably be the last little snippet for this vlog, so I can go and upload it. Cause I haven't been doing much. I haven't been uploading or recording. So this will be the last little snippet, and then I can start with the next one. Oh. So, I do, like I said, I do want to do reactions as well. So I'll probably slip in a couple of those. Yeah, baby. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to this. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.